Working with CorelDRAW Templates offers several advantages. Templates provide pre-designed layouts, saving you significant time in setting up your projects. Using templates ensures consistency across multiple documents, which is crucial for branding and professional appearance. Templates are user-friendly and can simplify the design process, especially for those new to CorelDRAW. They offer a starting point that can be easily customized to fit specific needs and preferences. Templates are often designed by professionals, providing a high-quality starting point for your projects. They streamline the workflow by providing preset design elements, allowing you to focus on creative aspects rather than starting from scratch. CorelDRAW templates come in a wide range of styles and purposes, making it easy to find one that suits your project requirements. Importantly, templates can also serve as educational tools, helping users understand effective design structures and practices. Having a library of templates can streamline collaboration, as team members can work from a common starting point, ensuring coherence in multi-designer projects. And finally, using templates reduces the likelihood of errors in design setup, as the foundational elements are already correctly placed. Let's take a closer look at working with CorelDRAW's templates.